On 28 March, Apple launched its newest offering, Apple Pay Later, in the United States. The highlight of this product is that it doesn't charge any fees or interest. It's a revolutionary move, but it begs the question, how on earth is Apple going to make money off of this? Well, we did some investigation and uncovered the truth. You see, to use this service, you must have an Apple device, and your Apple Pay Later will be linked to your Apple Wallet to track all your payments. By doing this, Apple is trying to keep users completely in their ecosystem, gaining more control over their personal finance. Now, let's dive into how Apple Pay Later actually works. The user can split a purchase into 4 payments spread over 6 weeks, all with 0 interest and no fees. But remember, there are a few key features you need to keep in mind. Firstly, this feature applies only to loans as small as $50 and has a cap of $1,000. Secondly, it can only be used online and not in physical stores. Thirdly, there will be a soft credit check during the application process, which won't affect your credit score. Fourthly, the Pay Later service will be linked to a debit card and not a credit card. Fifthly, Apple Pay Later loan and payment history may be reported to credit bureaus, affecting your credit. And finally, as of now, the service is only available in the US, so the user must be 18 years or older, with a valid physical US address. Exciting stuff, right? Well, here's the kicker. As of now, Apple has randomly selected users who will be invited to get early access to a pre-release version of Apple Pay Later via Wallet and Apple ID email. If you're looking to enter into the highly profitable buy now pay later industry, we can assist you with the technical aspects, freeing you up to focus on the essential aspects of the business as an entrepreneur. With over 5,000 satisfied clients worldwide, we have a proven track record, and you can rely on us to deliver exceptional results. We are the team of Code Brew Labs here to help you with a robust and scalable solution of a buy now pay later app. Our Pay Later app comes with unique range of features. Customer app consists of with feature like easy sign-up login, authorized account, online payment support, ability to check history, automated deductions, refund policy, digital receipts, push notifications. Our admin panel comes with the ability to manage banks, reports, manage merchants, offer discounts, chat support. If you are interested in creating a buy now pay later app for your business, then just click on the link given in the description and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. Thank you for watching the video. We look forward to hearing from you soon.